Hello, people. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, world. Hello, world. I've uploaded a few time lapses to my channel. I haven't actually uploaded anything in a really long time, but I want to pick up the YouTube thing again. Reason is I am building my off-grid tiny house. Well, it's not like really tiny, but half will be living area and the other half will be like a workshop or a garage. So this is the back entrance and the front entrance will be there. I have this wooden floor here, still not in perfectly, but they're all just a little bit different, so I don't really care. It's for my workshop. So for this area I have some sandwich panels, actually roof panels. That will be the insulation for the floor. On top of that I will lay some underlayment. The walls in the living area I will insulate with rock wool, and then make it nice looking with wood, triplex, like the thin flexible stuff. And I have all sorts of off-grid projects I want to start here, like making biogas, collecting rainwater and filtering it, making an off-grid shower that's really effective, composting toilet, all sorts of things. So if you like this, well, please consider following my journey. That's it for today. I'm getting back to work. Probably make another time lapse today, and see you guys. Bye.